All right, crude oil turns and rallies today, but first a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by FXEmpire, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for crude oil. So let's just make sure we're all on the same page by backing up a little bit and looking at the bigger picture. So you can see how crude busted through the 200 blue moving average and the downtrend line. This is the long-term downtrend line right here, way back in December 2021. That line has maintained support pretty much that whole time period, and it is now maybe about to be challenged once more as support because we are very close to the line from this week's low. This week's low stopped at a Fibonacci confluence zone, and now we're bouncing up in to test resistance. But I think there's a good chance we drop again eventually and test support around this downtrend line. For one thing, it is marked by this swing low at 63.67 and this extended ABCD pattern at 63.30. This is an approximation that gives you a proxy for where the line might be. Nevertheless, what that tells us is that we have a first breakdown. First counter trend rally is likely to encounter resistance and turn back down, and this downtrend can continue from that point potentially. So resistance potentially is at the 38.2% retracement at 70.65, but I think there's a good chance we rally higher to test the bottom of this triangle starting around 72.19 and going up to 73.74. And that includes the purple 20 moving average in the middle of that zone and these two downtrend lines. This vertical line identifies the crossover because after that point, resistance at this downtrend line is going to be encountered before resistance of the uptrend line. Just something to be aware of. And okay, that is it for crude oil traders. Have a great Friday.